Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you civics of class 6th, chapter 1, preparing for civics life. Before starting, please take out your rough copy and note down the important points. Now, let us know what is civics. Civics is the study of citizenship. Okay? Or in another words, we can say that the study of citizenship is called civics. Civics can teach us the fundamental duties and rights granted to the citizens. Clear, all of you? Now, today we are going to study chapter 1, preparing for civics life. Today we are going to study society and interdependence, qualities of good citizen, our duties and diversity in India. Now, what is communities? Before starting communities, let us know that what is community. A community is the group of people working together and helping each other in solving the problems. Okay, now let's start with the communities. Greek philosopher Aristotle once said that man is a social animal. He lives together with other people, sharing common interest so that he can communicate and interact with others, thus forming a community where the well-being of everyone depends on cooperation with other. Clear, all of you? Now, what is communities? Now, society. What is a society? We all are part of one or the other society. A group of people living together is a society. A society is a group of humans distinguished from other groups by mutual interest and a common culture. We all are part of one or the other society. Clear, all of you? What is society? A group of people living together is a society. Next, we live within a natural and man-made environment. Natural environment comprises the physical and biological circumstances that surrounds human beings. We all know that what a natural environment, what is natural environment and what is man-made environment. Okay, our environment, however, is also cultural, traditional customs and practices, religions, sports, art and architecture made up the man-made environment. Clear, all of you? Now, in this picture, can you see this one is your natural environment and this one is your man-made environment. Okay, next, community life and civics. All individuals living together in a society, we may belong to different groups like the family consisting of all family members, a school comprising students, teachers and others like a village, a city, a state or a country. Okay, though finally we all are the part of world community. Okay, now society is made up of thousands of individuals performing different activities. For instance, thousands of families live together in a locality. Students may study in schools, people work in the offices, and every association have some rules and it enforces them in order to function smoothly. Okay. In the same manner, the government looks after the functioning of the state. Why government looks after the functioning of the state? Because of the smooth function. Okay. It also frames laws which the people have to follow as a part of their duties. Clear, all of you? Here lies the importance of civics. Now I think you understood what is the importance of civics and what are our duties. It studies the working of the government. Civics is the study of rights and duties of citizen of a country. Okay, hope you understood all the points. Thank you.